Welcome back to the Prompt Engineering series. Today, the single trick pros use to get consistent, high-quality results from AI. It's called few-shot prompting, and it's easier than it sounds. Here's the problem. When you just ask the AI to do something with no example, it has to guess your style, your tone, and your format. So you get an answer that's technically correct, but not what you pictured. That guessing is why your results feel random. Few-shot prompting fixes that. Guessing is why your results feel random. Few-shot prompting fixes that. Instead of just asking, you first show the AI a few examples of exactly what you want. Then you give it your real task. The AI studies your examples and copies the pattern. You're not explaining what you want, you're demonstrating it. Quick vocabulary. Zero shot means you give no examples, just a request. One shot means you give one example. Few shot means you give 2, 3, or more. The more clear examples you show, the more closely the AI matches what you're after. So how do you write it? Simple. List a few input and output pairs. Input this, output that. Do that 2 or 3 times. And then add your new input and let the AI complete the pattern. That's the whole technique. Here's a real example. Say you want catchy product taglines. You write, product, running shoes. Tagline, run further, feel nothing. Then product, coffee mug. Your morning kept warm. Now you add product, yoga mat. Tagline, and the AI nails the same punchy style instantly. Why does this work so well? Because AI is a pattern matching machine. Your examples lock in the format, the tone, and the length all at once, without you describing any of it in words. Show, don't tell. A few tips. 2 to 3 examples is usually enough. You don't need 10. Keep your examples consistent in style. And if there's a tricky case, include one example of it so the AI learns that edge case too. So that's few-shot prompting. Show examples, then ask. It's the fastest way to make AI sound exactly the way you want. If this helped, subscribe to @Techfluencer or Val. Next episode, we tackle chain of thought prompting. See you there.